Alrighty, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. So in today's video, we are going to be heading to Dawson, Georgia to go pick up some wheels for the truck. I'm not going to tell you exactly what kind of wheels we're going to get. Let's just say they are forged wheels. So it is 6:30 in the morning, and we currently have a 4-hour drive. So let's go ahead and get the truck warmed up. I'm going to go to Waffle House and stop by the gas station, get energy drink, and then we're going to get on the road. Hopefully be to Georgia by 11:30 noon. So I know it's super early, but let's go ahead and crank the truck up. Get it started. Sorry, neighbors. Nothing like the sound of a good diesel and some diesel fuel at 6:30 in the morning. Let's get this journey on the road. All right, so we just got some Waffle House. It was super delicious. We're on the road now. Stopped by the gas station, got us a Monster, and we got right at 3 hours, 45 minutes. That should put me getting there right around 11:45 noon. So let's get after it. I'm super excited about getting these wheels. You guys have no idea. This is like definitely helps me see like the bigger picture, because we're so close to being I wouldn't necessarily say done with this truck, but having this truck to where I want it. There's a few more things like track bars, the wheels and tires are going to get done, rock lights, etc. Just a few little small minor stuff, and this truck will be exactly where I want it to be at. So I figured today we might as well vlog and take you guys along with me for going to pick up my new wheels. So let's get after it. All right, first stop to get some fuel. We are somewhere in Georgia. I don't really know. Dawson, I don't know what part of Georgia we're in, but we are currently getting some diesel. A little bit more expensive here, $3.08, but we are right at about an hour and a half from where we're at. So it was a good time to take a break, stretch, get some fuel, and let's get back on the road. All right, guys, so we just got the wheels, and as you can see, I'll show them to you real quick. We got some nice 22 by 12s American Force AKAs. They are true directional. We got them on a 33 Country Hunter mud train tire. I'm going to change that. So as you can see, the wheels do need a little bit of polishing. There's some light scratches on some of them, but we're going to take care of that. I don't know anything about polishing wheels, but I do have the Zephyr kit. I called and they recommended a kit, so that's going to be a learning process for me. Super nice guy. He just left. They actually run a farm here, and they do corn, so he had to go back and plant his corn. And then we have some. Also, I got some spacers to complete the offset in the front and rear to match the wheels. The front wheels won't be out further than the rear when it comes to the independent front suspension. And then as you can see here, we have all the spiked lug nuts that we're going to polish up and make those look good as new. So yeah, I am definitely super excited to get these wheels on the truck. I think whenever I get home, I'm gonna get them mounted up and see exactly how they'll do. I don't know exactly how the 33s are gonna do with just the leveling kit with the keys cranked up just a little bit, but now I can say I've been to Dawson, Georgia. Here's you guys another once over. I think the wheels look freaking sick. I can't wait to get them on. So anyways, we got another, I don't know, it's about 4 hours to get back home. So let's go ahead and get back on the road, get home, get these wheels unloaded, mounted, and I'm gonna clean them up. And then the next video on these wheels will be me polishing them. It's gonna be a learning experience, but I'm all about it. So let's get back home. All right, we left the sunny state of Georgia, and I finally made it back home. I've changed clothes, and I am about to give these bad boys a wash and a cleaning. They need it bad. They're super dirty, so I cannot wait to see how they shine up. I've never polished wheels before, but I will show you the kit that I bought. Talked to the guys over at Zephyr, and this is the kit that they recommended. the Ultra Shine polishing kit. It's got 3 different pads, the safety plates, the bars, and then the Zephyr Shine. It's kind of like a sealant to protect your work. So let's go ahead and get these bad boys washed up. What I'm going to use first is some Iron X. This stuff is going to take away a lot of the nasty mud, dirt, and grime. Stuff smells like rotten eggs, but it works freaking miracles. All right, so just to give you guys of an example on what this iron does from Geon. So what it's doing is it is removing all the iron. It's a pH neutral cleaner, and as you can see, all the purple stuff is all the dirt and grime that's being pulled from the wheel itself. So we'll let it work its magic for a couple minutes, and we're gonna go back, and I got a 2-bucket wash method, and we're gonna get these bad boys cleaned up one by one, and then it'll be on to polishing. All right, so I just finished washing the wheels, and this is what they look like as of now. I think they look pretty good. Of course, there's a lot of work to be done when it comes to polishing. I've never polished wheels, and by any means am I a professional, so this is definitely going to be a work in progress and a learning experience. So now the backs are pretty dirty still, but from what they were, they telling you, man, that iron remover is a miracle worker. And then it looks like there's a spot, there's a little bit of scratching on a little bit of them. There was one that was the worst. Yeah, I think that scratch right there, but I bought these knowing that they had some imperfections and scratches, so hopefully the polished wheel, not polished wheel, but the polishing the wheels will get rid of all that stuff. So in the next video, I'm going to be going over the Zephyr products and how to polish wheels. I'm going to pull one to the side, do it first, figure out how this stuff kind of works, and then yeah, we'll go for there. So thank you guys so much for coming with me today on this journey. We went all the way to Georgia and back, got some new American Force aka wheels, got some wheel spacers, got the spiked lug nuts. I think I'm going to try to polish the lug nuts if that's possible. That's what I'm going to try to do. But anyways, if you're stopping to the channel for the first time, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and leave this video a big thumbs up. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.